Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this video is not too much about Corel Draw, but I am going to share this file. This is not my file. I found this file a year ago, and it was all, I tweaked it and made some things better, but I did not draw it. It was all line art, and you couldn't fill it in. It was all to be vector cut out. And there were so many pieces that you couldn't just fill it in. So I individually filled in the pieces with black. And in the file, it's going to be called Star Wars. And I'm going to save it in X3. There's 3 versions of it. This one is, I have not tried this yet myself. It's late at night and I have not done it. This one's probably going to engrave better because there's almost too much black. As you can see as we zoom out, the other 2 look black. And the reason I'm making the video is because I changed up a couple parts. This one will probably engrave better than this one, where the face is all black. They both might engrave really good, but I changed the 2 faces, that face and one more face right up here, where this face is all blacked out. As a matter of fact, I need to blacken his eyes before I save the file. And where this one is completely opposite. So I will share those files as soon as I get through making this video. And feel free to use them. I don't know whose it is. I've had it for probably a year. I'm going to put it on Epilog's fan page. And I'm going to put it under my Facebook page called Corel Draw File Share. And if you haven't joined, ask to join and I'll let you in, and you just go under files and it'll be called Star Wars. But if you're a member of Epilog's Facebook page, it'll be right there in the files section. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.